welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this video, just like from the title, I will be recreating that turban that I wore for Eid'il Kabir. I got a lot of positive comment about that turban. People were asking me for recreation, people were saying beautiful, all positive comments. And I also did a poll on Facebook to see if really you guys are interested on the turban, because based on my analytics, the majority or the good number that come to visit my video are from the link I always post on Facebook. So thank you very much, Facebook family. Thank you. So I got a very good number of people that are really interested in learning it. So I thought, why not? Let me just do it for you guys. Don't mind what I'm wearing. This is my perfect bow turban. This is also a turban, by the way. We have different kind of turbans, but this is like a ready-made, so you just wear it. No need of doing this styling or anything. And by the way, do you notice that it has beads? Yes, it has beads everywhere. It's just beaded. So without further talking, let me show you guys what you need for this video. First, you need this for the definition. Yes, if you have not watched that video where I for the Eid'il Kabir, you are missing something. Even though the video is not even that long, but it's actually a very lively video. You need to go and watch it. Then after this, you need, of course, the main thing, that's the scarf. So you can make use of any kind of texture, whether cotton, um silk, anyone, just something that you can play around with. But this one that I'm making use of is actually silk. It's even a veil. What I even wore on that day was a veil. Just in case you don't know, it's actually not the scarf of the shadda, it's actually a veil, because the shadda didn't, like, it wasn't that much for me to get a scarf out of it, so I just tied a veil for it. I got a matching veil for it. So for this one, we are also going to make use of another veil. This veil is 74 inches long, so it's very long. And for the width is 25 inches, the weight of it. So this is more than a half yard. A half yard is usually 36 inches, right? So this is more than a half yard. So without too much talking, let's get into what brought us here. After doing the main one you guys requested for, I might do another one, just a bonus for you guys, because I like you guys, because you guys have been subscribing lately. And thank you very much for my returning subscribers, and for the new subscribers, you are highly welcome. If you have not subscribed and you have been coming to watch me, please kindly do so. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment on what you like to see next, and let's get into the video, right? I just forgot to mention that if you don't have that definition, that black thing that I showed, you can just quickly get a calendar or a cardboard paper, or just a strong paper that you can use as your definition. So I just tied the scarf just a normal way we all tie our scarf. I'm just trying to tuck all the things that I don't want to see out. I'm just trying to tuck everything. I just made a twist at the back, and now I'm bringing everything so tightly, guys. I'm tightening everything. So after tightening it, then I'm going to tie the remaining of the scarf at the back. So this is just it. I don't think this scarf will even take more than 2 minutes to tie. This is just my easy way to tie the scarf. When I do this, then I will try to adjust, put everything together, create some pleats, and just make some styling, and maybe style it to the left. That's something that I love to do, just to make an adjustment and just do some tuckings. That's the majority, like that's the most important thing that you should be doing, and I'm just so happy about the output. So this is the first look, which is the turban that I wore on Salah day, and I just love everything about it. I love everything about this scarf. Scarves are not really that hard to tie, but they can be complicated at times. They can just decide to play with your patience sometimes. Sometimes you can just get them right, and sometimes they can just fall your hands. So now let's go to the bonus. So this, you just ignore that. So for this bonus, when you just wrap your scarf or your veil from the back, then you just bring it to the front, just tuck everything, then you make a twist again, and then you perfectly take it to the back, make your adjustment. That's really important. Adjust all the adjustables, put everything together. I'm just trying to hide some of the scarf that we're showing. So after doing that, I will make a twist, or I will just tie it at the back rather. You can make a twist if you are tired of all the tying, or you can just tie it and bring the remaining to the front and just tuck it at the first twist that you made. So this is it for this one as well. I also love this scarf. I love wearing this scarf, especially with Ankara, but it's also perfect for maybe having it with the shirts and trousers, and then you go on with your kimono or abaya. It's also beautiful. So there are moments in life when you're trying to put things to the right place. You understand? You're trying to just put everything to be perfect in the right place. Then you just notice that something don't want to be in the right place. It just doesn't want to work for you. You try all your possible best, and it's not just working for you. I'm talking about this scarf right now. Something is wrong, and that's this place. So I just pull it down. I was about to complain, then I noticed that it's actually a style, and I love the style. So this is another bonus. You guys have 3 styles now, so just thank me.